Sometimes when we're using the smartboard, we need specific items to stand out so that our students can see them a little bit better. And I'm going to show you two different ways that you can do that. One is with the magic pen, which is right here. The magic pen does two things. If I draw a square around a particular item and that square connects, it makes that item bigger and it blows it up. I can move this around so that way I can show students something at a different size. I can emphasize that. The other thing that the magic pen will do is if I circle something, it will black out the rest of the area, and then I can just close it by clicking on that red circle. I'm going to circle that again because I can also move it. So if I need to emphasize this area right here or another one, I can. Another way you can do that is by kind of creating your own little highlighter box. And I've drawn a rectangle down here, and I've just made a custom color with that to make it yellow. And then I would just drag it over the words as I'm reading. So once upon a time, and then my students could read chorally with me and the different words would stand out to them. The way that I did that was by coming up to the top and getting my shape tools. The rectangle is the one that I chose, and I just drew a rectangle around one of my words. I do want to make sure that it's large enough for any of my words. For example, this one is not going to be large enough for the word everywhere or hooded. I always have to come back up and click on my cursor whenever I am done with the shape or any of the items that are up here on my toolbar, because if I don't, the smartboard thinks that I'm still trying to use that tool. I click on this, then I choose the drop down menu and go to Properties, and that opens up a new window for me so that I can choose my fill color and my line color. If I go back to fill color, I can change the transparency on this, so that way now I can pull it over my words and highlight them.